Hey. I'm going to make this as quick as possible because my phone is going dead and I didn't realize it. But I was drawn to do this, to come pull some cards. So, I'm going to go ahead and see what's going on with the collective sun at the bottom of the deck. Four of Pentacles. What's the overall energy of the collective? What is the overall energy of the collective? Alright, we have the Eight of Swords in reverse. Feeling less insecure and letting go of negative thinking. Yep, you're in balance. Alright now. Getting that balance. Getting leveled out. Harmony. Peace. Creating something new. Blending. Could be blending families. Could be blending businesses. Tower in the reverse. A lot of people think of the Tower as a not so good card, but change to me is good. And with it being in reverse, you're gaining insight on something. You're letting go of things that don't serve a good purpose in your life because they're not true. You know they're not true. You're evaluating your old beliefs, any old belief systems you may have had, and you're finding new truth. That is great. That is growth. Okay, why is the Eight of Swords out here in the reverse? Why is the Eight of Swords out here in the reverse? Why is the Eight of Swords out here in the reverse? Let's go ahead and take that one. Two of Pentacles, because you're juggling something. Or you were juggling something, but again, your thoughts are becoming clearer. You're not as insecure. You have more confidence. You're not telling yourself negative things all the time anymore. You're starting to maybe say some affirmations and just make some changes. Change your thoughts, change your lives, change your life. And you're keeping things in balance. I don't, if either you were juggling or you are juggling, maybe your finances, trying to get some things in order so that you can do something different. But you definitely need to make a choice. Either you already made a choice or you need to make a choice about something. But your ships are coming in, so these are all good cards. Then you have the King of Wands in reverse. If that's not you, that's the energy of somebody around you. They were bossy to aggressive, you know, and didn't have a clear purpose. So again, either this was you or this is the energy of somebody around you that maybe you need to make a choice about. And it could be a job also. It doesn't necessarily have to be a person. But I'm feeling like it's some type of relationship here. Can we please clarify the Tower in reverse? Tower in reverse. Can we please clarify the Tower in reverse? What's going on with the Tower in the reverse? Oh, celebration. Celebrate good times. Come on. This could be some type of social gathering, a celebration, strength and unity. You know, maybe you started a business with somebody, a new relationship, whatever that looks like for you. But it's very supportive, a supportive alliance, supportive friendship, community, a sense of community. So that's great. Can we clarify the King of Wands in reverse? King of Wands reverse. So somebody was too self-absorbed. Whoever this King of Wands was, they were too self-absorbed, withdrawn, you know, like emotionally detached. So now you're ready for something new. But it's kind of maybe making you be in your head, have anxiety, sleepless nights, insomnia. It's the same thing as sleepless nights. Maybe you were blaming yourself. Hold on, I have some chickpeas on and it smells like I smell them. Okay. Oh man. Yeah, so maybe some thoughts were haunting you. Some, some things that maybe you said or did that didn't serve a good purpose in your life or the life of the people that you're here to help. Maybe you stayed in this situation too long. Maybe you feel like you don't know what to do now. But again, your ships are coming in. See the two ships in the back? Maybe you were juggling this for a long time. Maybe you're still juggling this. And again, it's keeping you up at night. So you need to make the right choice. Because obviously whatever situation you're in, if you're still in it, is not serving you a good purpose if it's keeping you up at night. So I don't know what you need to do to figure that out. Okay, what else does the collective need to know? Any final messages? Any final messages? Okay. Yeah, the Four of Wands came out here in the reverse. Yeah, there's no celebration there. That's a unstable foundation. Or maybe you're downplaying your accomplishments. Felt like something else turned over, but maybe not. Can we please clarify the Four of Wands in reverse? The Hermit. Yeah, you might, if you're not in isolation right now, you need to go into Hermit mode so you can make a clear decision and use your intuition. Gain some spiritual enlightenment. Maybe you need a mentor. Maybe you need therapy. Maybe you need a life coach. But you definitely need to seek some wisdom or inner guidance from your higher self. All right. I'm going to end the reading there. I hope that this was helpful. Love y'all. Later.